All right, folks, this is another crazy trading session for GameStop stock price. Closing at 93% and post-market still going up. Right now, we are around 207 when I'm recording this video, but at a point, it did hit 250 and plus. Man, this is crazy. If you think about it, GameStop basically turned into a large corp. In a matter of 2 weeks, it went from what? $20 a share to now a 10 billion market capitalization company. Basically trading at 250, it is almost the same price as Microsoft. Guys, Microsoft. This is crazy. A company selling, wireless device and, gaming stuff, electronics, in a matter of weeks just turned from, if you look at it 1 month ago, we were at what, $40? And then, it's out of this world, man. It's out of this world. So actually, what made the stock price jump like crazy today? Basically, it's no one else than Mr. Elon Musk, the Tesla CEO, with a tweet where he was kind of, pumping the GameStop tweet that he posted early today. And I think this kind of gave a pump to the share price or the investors, the shareholders, and this is, going back to a feud between short sellers, market makers or institutional, and retail investors. Basically, there is nothing different. This is the whole story. This is the bottom line. You have, on Reddit, this is just social media. Of course, when you look at the fundamental of the company, we do have a billionaire investor, from Chewy.com who chipped in, and that's what started this whole craziness around the stock price of this company, GameStop, going upper and upper trading session after trading session. But today, the fact that Elon Musk tweeted GameStop, basically he's saying, guys, continue the fight between the retailers, the shareholders, the insiders, and then the short sellers. Basically, it's a fight between institutional and retail traders. And I think this is something which defies the fundamental or the mechanics of how the stock market works. As Jim Cramer said 2 days ago or yesterday, this is way beyond mechanics of the stock market. This is way beyond the mechanics of the fundamentals of how you do value a company. And I think, it comes to, with the pandemic, people were staying at home, and then especially millennials, including myself, we did open up, some trading accounts, and then with the no fee commission or the no commission thing, it gave a really pump into the markets. Of course, there are other drivers, but I'm just, paraphrasing, and, it's part of one of the reasons why markets are going that crazy, and that you have some situations where, a share price for a company like GameStop between a matter of weeks, can go from, $25, $40 to $250. That's basically it, man. Now, the question is, what will happen next? It doesn't seem like this feud is going to end up anytime soon. As we look at, the different tweets or the different trading sessions, the share price continued to go up. Of course, it did pull back a little bit yesterday, closing below the opening price. But again, today it almost doubled intraday. So I think the fact that, Citrus company or Citron company, which is a huge short seller, it's still in the market, or it's still have that open position within GameStop, I don't think it's going to end up anytime soon. Citron is also did that with Palantir stock, which is another stock that skyrocketed later this week, or even last week, mostly Friday to be precise. But that's my thing, man. I don't expect this to end anytime soon. Now, if you do want to get in GameStop, I will say, man, pay close attention. Be really careful. I know it's tempting to see a stock price basically triple or double almost every trading session, every day. And then you might be tempted, because I've been tempted, but since I'm more a fundamental guy than a technical analysis guy, but I will take this as a bet. No more complicated than that. To me, it's a bet at this point. So if you want to jump in, but maybe with a very small amount that you won't be too emotionally involved if you lose it. And in the meantime, if you want to get in, be prepared to lose that amount of money. Now, if you want to put in, $1,000, maybe 2,000 or maybe 5K, I mean, I think that's it reasonable, as long as you don't have to eat pasta or rice and beans all year all year long. But I mean, again, really think about it and approach it in a very cautious way, because again, this is way beyond the fundamentals or the mechanics of a price or company evaluation. So if you want to get in, really approach it as if you were betting on sports, or an NBA game, a football game, or whatever. Because at this point, I don't really know anything that is different from that. So that's my view, guys.